I want to go.
Okay. Yeah, you will leave me alone here.
Yeah, let's go. You will see the land of Daddy.
The land of Daddy, yeah?
Yeah. The olive oil. I-check natin. Olive oil? Olive tree. Olive farm nila, mister. Ewan ko kung ano natin, ma-reach natin. Nandun na sila sa baba.
What can I do with 5,000?
Save it. Put in the church. Ito yung persimmon pala. Persimmon tree. Yan, walang dahon. Pero uusbong yan. Sa spring. Ito mga grapes. Pero wala nga. Kasi winter. Naglagasan ang mga dahon. Mga ito, mga fig trees. Nako, dito nahuhulog lang ang fig, guys.
Mama, when you go to supermarket, get me the cream for this one.
Okay. Tapos mga olive ito. Be careful, you slide. Mga olive ito, guys. You remember you make
The water fountain.
prayer. La, it's there already. We passed. Han! Oh, medyo dangerous dito kasi yung daan sliding ay pababa. Decline. Yes, ayan, look, the flowers. My God, how nice. Grabe, oh. I think pumunta sila, mister, sa baba doon sa may land nila. Where are they? Han! No, here. Where? Bango. The smell is good. Wild orchids. Mahirap umakyat.
It's 11 o'clock now. 11:30.
Wait, we will wait from here. Oh.
What's that?
Yeah. Okay. Under of olive tree. Oh. Alam nyo, maganda dito, guys. Sobra. Ay, mga ano ito mga parsley. Wild parsley, guys. Oh, or tinanim nila. Ewan ko kasi may mga tae ng tae ng yung mga animal manure. Wild ito. Tikman nga natin. Ay, amuyin natin. Kasi alam ko naman ang amoy ng parsley at saka coriander. Ay, hindi parsley. Na! Where? Yes? Galala sila. Dito ako. Bakit? Takot si Kian. Hindi ako magsasalita. Hanapin niya ako. Dito ako guys. May shortcut kaya dito? Pag-alala na yung lalaki. Nag-alala na ang bata. Oh my God. Shubeg! How I climb? Takot siya. Maiwan ako. I'm searching you. Takot yung lalaki. Tingnan nyo. Inano niya ako. Lano.
Look here, the bullets.
I'm searching you, Yakiyan.
We're searching for you.
Wala ito siya loose.
Don't you see the? Don't you hear the bullets?
I'm tired, ya, Mama, searching you. Kian,
And don't you hear the bullets?
come here. I went down.
Over there we were.
Where you pass?
The lake, the water.
Oh, really? You went to the lake?
No, we went past it.
Where's Daddy now? Come, come,
Trying
come.
to find the two birds.
Where's Daddy?
I'm trying to find the two birds.
And I stay here.
You see off when you go to the lake.
Daddy's in the lake? Ah? Ito guys, mga olive ito. Olive tree. Grabe ang tahimik guys, sobra. Alam nyo yung time, parang ang 3 o'clock now. Mahaba ang time dito. Hindi gaya sa Lebanon ay sa Beirut na 11. Nakahiga pa rin ako. Kumbaga na 10:30 mga ganun. Nasa bed pa ako. Dito mga tao maaga sila nagigising. Tapos maaga sila natutulog. 6 o'clock nasa bahay na sila, matutulog na, ganun. Maaga din silang magising. Sabi ko kay mister, kung may internet lang dito, alam nyo, dito kami titira. Pero may internet naman yung ibang bahay dito, kaso yung bahay kasi ng binan ko walang internet. And then, malayo kasi yung trabaho ni mister, trabaho ng asawa ko. Trabaho nilakay ko sa Beirut, dito sa Beirut 1 hour pag hindi traffic. Pag traffic maabot kami ng 1 hour to 20 minutes ganun, hindi naman 2 hours. Parang yung sa lugar namin, sa city namin, sa province, pag traffic ay pag sa town namin, sa barangay namin papunta sa Tugigaraw, umaabot ng 1 hour and 45 minutes, mga ganun. Kasi 'di ba yung daan sa Pilipinas naman kasi liko-liko. Dito kasi straight siya, incline, decline, ganun. Dito sa village sila. Pero pag sa Beirut na yun, straight ang daan. Natatakot ako mag-drive dito, hindi ko gamay. Kasi maliit yung ano guys, road. Tapos may kakasalubong ka pa, mahirap. Anyway, darating din tayo makakuha ng lisensya, inshallah. Paano kaya ako makabalik dun? Kapagod, tara na, kasi hinahanap ako. Let's go. Andito ako sa under of persimmon tree. Pagkita ko sa inyo ebidensya na hindi nila kinukuha ang persimmon dito. Ayan, oh, nasisira. Ayan, persimmon. Yung iba granadine, yung pomegranate, oh, hindi nila kinuha guys. Nahulog na lang siya. Yan, persimmon ito. Mga nabubulok na sila. Diba guys, mga prutas dito hindi nila inaani, hinahayaan lang. Kinukuha lang nila olive. Ano pa, fig. Nahuhulog lang. Yung walnut. May tubig dito eh. Yan ang bahay. My brag. Ito ang tubig na to. Malinis. Lamig. Ang lamig. Sobrang lamig guys. Ay barado na oh. Ang palaka ba ingay? My God, paano kaya kung mahulog ako dito? Yung mga palaka oh. Daming algae oh. Marumi. Yan, mga olive tree ito. Ah, dito na sila, mister. Kulatin ko sila.
Good, I didn't shoot you. It finished your life.
I hear you.
we
We went down and I'm shouting there. Oof, I'm tired. No, Bala, I said, Han. I went there in the road, in down,
We are
Bala.
shooting here down.
Eh?
You didn't hear us?
How you come here? Or I
Did
thought
you
you
hear
go
mommy
there.
shouting?
No.
Bala, I shout, Han.
Mommy, there was, look, the sprout there, the sprout.
Hey, you just got here. You said you good for drinking.
Hala.
Come here. Okay. Come here. I used to also, when we are young, the age of 12, yeah,
Ah, since before Haida? we
we bring the roti. We,
why it's not clean anymore?
you see these?
Show
Now
Haida.
the bullets of Kalashnikov or
Ah,
M4.
wala.
Yeah, we used to stay there.
Mm.
We put and we boom, we put marks to train.
Ah, wala.
These boys. You see?
Haida, it's been Haida
From the
wala.
water, we bring the gowns. We carry it to the house.
But Haida, no, it's not clean
ما
anymore.
بعرف هلا إذا it's clean or they close it to turn the water not going هيك.
Maybe they turn here, Han.
مش عارف بس أنا I know it's frozen.
Look, it's cold.
Yeah, sure it's cold.
I wash my hands. Haram, they are falling.
Daddy, did you hear it?
Yeah. Before heavy it was clean. We used to come swim here.
Ah, really? It's deep?
Yeah, it's so deep.
It's fresh, the water. Very nice. If I'm here, I will clean this one and I will put fish. Kasi pag andito ka, hindi mo maisip lahat yan.
Last time, yeah, I was the age of Kian.
Pero pag nasa ibang labas ka ba, maiisip mong gawin ang mga bagay ba?
Like the margarita.
Hmm.
It's strong enough.
Yeah, it's spring. My God, how clean.
Yeah?
Can I try shooting at it?
تعال شوف. نحط لك شيء عنيني هون شيء.
He shoot?
Wait.
Eh?
لا شو هي؟
He shoot? Hayda, the plastic. Hayda, hon.
هلا بدنا نعلمه. هيك عمل.
Hayda, look. Put the water.
big. Has to be smaller.
Head off?
Sayang lang yung tubig, oh. Naiinom pala ito.
Let the frog. See?
In Beirut,
See
water is
it?
hard. Dito, ano lang siya.
Yeah. First of all,
Itong mag-ama guys, hilig sila sa nature.
أبو يا كيان. Let's go to that tree to see إذا في bird. يلا بنقوص ونطلع على البيت يلا.
I
I promised you عندي هذا. بعدين when you are bigger you will learn how to drive كمان. You will be a good driver like daddy.
will shoot the bird.
تعال شوف.
I will shoot the bird.
هلا إذا easy bird we can see it clear.
No.
If it's behind the trenches I will try to push him on it. If it's behind the branches ما تطلع. لا 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 هي
Ito yung mga wild ay.
sniper كيان.
I'm a sharpshooter.
Careful you slide.
They call the sniper the accurate aim and the sharpshooter.
Yeah, they use it here. وهيدا he's barely holding the gun.
I'm shaking, but sometimes I can handle it.
You hold your breath so you cannot breathe while you are aiming.
Grabe, ang ganda dito guys. Nakaka-relax. Alam nyo, pag andito ako, naku, dito ako matutulog pag tanghali. Napaka ano, gusto ko nga matulog eh. Yung, alam nyo, yung amoy, napaka-fresh. Wala kang maamoy na iba. Yung alam nyo, yung breeze ng mountain, yung mga tawag ito, yung amoy, hindi mo parang bulaklak na di mo ma-imagine. Hindi ako excited pero ganun ang amoy, sobrang fresh. Matagal na itong puno na ito, balut. Ito ang tawag nilang balut.
جثة مبين
تعال بدك تخايف هذا
شو بده ينزل علي بعد في واحد ينفجر
خلص خلص.
هاي شاشة العيد يعني هاي شو هي؟ شو هي؟ كيف عم بيتفجروا لك يا الله.
What are you doing? Ito po here. They are down. Where? Ay, the fig. Ito po yung fig. Fig ito, fig tree. Mga olive ito. Dito kami sa baba. Yan yung bahay na nila Mr. sa taas.